Hello, this is Neil Walters, and in this tech video, I want to show you how you can accept voice input from your browser and send it up to a web server such as Amazon's Lex or AWS Lex. This is very similar to talking to Alexa. And so here's a blog that I think got me started on this path. It's called Capturing Voice Input in a Browser and Sending It to Amazon Lex. If that's not it, it was a similar blog, and that led me to this GitHub here, AWS Lex Browser Audio Capture. So I downloaded it, and then the first time I had some issues running it, but then they fixed it when I reported the issue on GitHub. And so to get this to run, what you have to do is you have to create a Lex, sort of a bot first. So let me just walk you through that. So here's bots. I already got one called Book Trip. Let's just make another one here called Schedule Appointment. Okay, so there's the bot name, and I'm just going to take the defaults here. Is it subject to the children's criminal thing? No. And so you can build your own bot, or they have these sample ones built in. So it says your bot is currently building. Please wait for a moment. So this is just like a starter kit that you could take this and modify it to suit your needs, or just use it in a demo like what we're going to do in this video. Okay, that took about 45 seconds to do whatever it was doing, and now I'm going to click Publish. And I need an alias or a name, so we'll call it Set Appointment. Okay, I feel kind of dumb. It's like back to not having a manual for this. To make it run, you actually have to click this. This is the button. Instead of having a OK or a Go button down here, you actually have to click this little icon. Okay, so here I've put in my secret access keys for my account, which I'm going to hide on the video, and then the bottom one is the name of the bot that you just created on Amazon AWS Lex. If you're ready to talk to it, you click this button here. It says, do you want to allow your microphone? Well, yes, you have to allow that, of course.
I didn't understand you. What would you like me to do?
Schedule an appointment.
What type of appointment would you like to schedule?
An interview.
When should I schedule your interview?
Tomorrow at 7 a.m.
At what time do you want to schedule the interview?
Tomorrow, 9 a.m.
9 o'clock is available. Should I go ahead and book your appointment?
Sure. Now, when you're running this, you can also open your browser with the debug mode, F12, and then over here you can actually see things while it's happening. Let's do part of that again. Book a trip.
Sorry, what can I help you with?
Book a trip.
What city will you be staying in?
Philadelphia.
What city will you be staying in?
Philadelphia.
What date do you want to check in?
Yesterday.
How many nights will you be staying?
1.
What type of room would you like? Queen, king, or deluxe?
Do you have something bigger?
What type of room would you like? Queen, king, or deluxe?
King.
Okay, I have you down for a one-night stay in Philadelphia starting November 29, 2017. Shall I book the reservation?
No, that was yesterday.
Okay, I have canceled your reservation in progress.
Okay, so it's a pretty cool app. So let me show you one more thing. I was watching the keynote live speech today from the Amazon AWS reInvent conference in Las Vegas, 30,000 people attending. And this is a quote from their VP and CTO, Chief Technical Officer, Werner Vogels. I misspelled his name here, actually. But anyway, he said, voice represents the next biggest disruption in computing. And so I'm getting into this. I'm doing some programming with Alexa for Amazon, Hebrew vocabulary program there, and then I'm going to get it running on Google Home. And I'm kind of committing myself to do more voice work in the future because I think it's really a neat technology. And by the way, that Lex tool that we saw on the AWS side, I didn't go into that in detail, but you can also build chatbots with that. A chatbot can work with SMS on a phone, or it can work like with Facebook Messenger, or it can work with Slack. And anyway, a lot of different ways you can chat with people now, and voice is going to be a bigger part of that, as Mr. Werner Vogel said. So to wrap up, this has been Neil Walters with BreakFreeFromIT.com. I'm here to help you either do better and excel in IT, or to get out of IT and do something else if that's what you're interested in. So on this channel, I'm going to be having some tech videos and then videos about business and life. Hope you join the YouTube channel and come back and see more videos, and we'll talk. Talk to you later.